Well, hi everybody, Wes McDonald here, and welcome to another AI FYI. And today, I'm going to show you how you can actually add custom instructions to ChatGPT so that it remembers to write the way that you want it to every single time. A lot of people complain about it being a generic voice, not doing the kinds of things that they want to. So as you can see on the screen here, you actually have to go down to your profile setting on the lower left-hand side. We're going to pop that open. And you can see now that there's a new option for custom instructions. When I click that, it actually brings up an area. And once I enable this, it will allow me to make sure that it does what I want it to do every single time. It's extremely powerful. In this case, I put an example saying I'm a service manager in the office equipment channel, and my job is to fix things and to troubleshoot things. So anytime I ask you for something about a printer, please just tell me the 3 biggest service issues that you know about. And once I enable that and save it, the next time I type something in, I'll just say HP 4250. And the great thing about it, because the custom instructions are there, I can be very brief on my prompts. And when I type in the HP 4250, it's now going to come up, because of those custom instructions, as if I had already written a long prompt and given it directions on the kinds of things I wanted to do. So it is running through the typical issues that happen on this particular kind of device and explaining to me what those are. So for level 1 tech support, if you're doing that or you have people doing that, this is an extremely powerful feature, and I encourage you to learn more about how you can use that. Of course, it doesn't have to just be for printers. This could be for computers. This could be for tractors. It could be for any kind of device, any kind of thing that might have service issues. So until next time, keep learning.